Hello and welcome to this month's Maggie Moment. Today I'm going to chat about when our kids are constantly saying no and refusing to be nice and cooperate, particularly children under 4. Remember, 2 and 4 is an egocentric window where children are claiming their own sense of autonomy and independence. So while it is developmentally normal and healthy, it can be incredibly frustrating. And at times we've had messages saying, oh my gosh, my child, I can't get them to do anything. So that's almost stepping into what I call defiance. And that then we have to ask a few questions about ourselves. Sometimes we have parents say, look, I've tried everything. I've done time out, and I've growled out, then we've done this and we've, withdrawn. And I go, you know what, if I'm already struggling to want to be agreeable and to meet you halfway, I think that my love cup might be feeling a little bit empty. So it's almost like the reverse is that when our children are like that, there may be some sort of power struggle going on because at times they're feeling not as loved and connected to you as they need to be. We actually know that children are motivated to please us and do what we want when they feel loved, because they actually want more loving connection. So when the reverse happens, it's almost like a pushback. Has anybody ever yelled at you to do something in a workplace environment and you just, what? Everybody wants to push back at someone who demands something of us, and that is the same with our toddlers. So remember, there are times that we have to be really clear around when I'm going to be the leader in this family and I'm the parent, and it's a not negotiable. So some of those things are, I will take your hand when we cross the road. I don't care whether you like it or not, because this is my job to keep you safe. When I get to the, are you going to choose to wear that or that, and I want them to wear something, I'm going to say, back off. That's a choice that makes them feel I can make my own choices. It's not life-threatening. So the common ones are, and I'm back in toddlerland, I see this all the time, is I don't want to come and eat. How frustrating. I have a lovely little toddler who was lovely sitting at their high chair or eating off their table, and all of a sudden now they're just not doing it. Now, this is not always a power struggle. This is actually a little child claiming their independence, and they might be wanting to play more. So our timelines don't always fit our toddlers' timelines. So again, my challenge is, once again, here's your food. When you're ready, you can come and eat it, but this is the only thing that will be available to eat. So when you're hungry, you can come back and eat it and just let the battle go. Because when the battle gets to be a big thing, then we create the power struggle, which is why, particularly rooster children, wear you down. We want them to follow the same sorts of routines. Remember, eat some dinner, then it's bath time, and then it's sometimes they're pushing back on that. And our job is to kind of keep it as close to that as possible while allowing them some autonomy, because we know routines help children later. So again, the no, be really mindful that sometimes no is because I want to test, can you come and hold that boundary for me? Other times I'm saying no because it's a great word. Sometimes I say no and I don't even know I'm saying no. So once again, don't always take it as a challenge to your authority as a parent, but once again, make sure you're the leader of the ship, allowing them some choices because that's part of their developmental journey. And then I just go back to filling their love cups. I've already done a video blog on this. I've written articles about it. Go back and see, how can I fill their love cups so they feel more secure in our love and our relationship? And again, these stages do pass. So again, I hope that's been helpful to you this month. And if you've got any other suggestions on the no child, because secretly we love a strong child, but sometimes it annoys us, please feel free to share. And that's all from me this month.